Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. Nitration of phenol. What is meant by nitration? Nitration. Addition of NO2 plus the electrophile to benzene ring is called nitration. First, we are going to discuss about the nitration of phenol with dilute, that means 20% nitric acid HNO3 at room temperature, that is 298 Kelvin. NO2 is present in nitric acid. Now I separate NO2 from HNO3. Remaining we have one hydrogen and one oxygen. Now phenol undergo reaction nitration with 20% nitric acid. Molecular formula for phenol C6H5OH. With nitric acid 20% HNO3, even at room temperature 90 to 98 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius. Now I separate one ortho hydrogen, nitric acid HONO2 undergo reaction with ortho hydrogen first. H plus ion of benzene ring and OH minus ion of nitric acid removed as H2O. This NO2 plus is now added to ortho carbon atom, gives the first product C6H4. Here you have one OH, ortho, one NO2 electrophile, H plus ion is substituted by NO2 plus ion with the loss of one molecule of water. Para hydrogen undergo nitration with 20% nitric acid. The para H plus and OH minus is removed as H2O. NO2 plus is now added to para carbon, gives the para product C6H4. Here you have one OH, to the para carbon one NO2 is attached. H plus is replaced by NO2 plus, electrophilic substitution. Totally loss of 2 molecules of water. In this reaction, the ortho isomer is formed 30 to 40% yield of ortho isomer and only 15% yield of para isomer is obtained. What is the name of this compound? In ortho you have nitro, ortho nitrophenol, and there para nitrophenol. From the mixture of these two compounds, how the two isomers are separated. Compounds having same molecular formula but position of functional group is different. This comes under position isomerism. How these two isomers are separated. Remember one thing. These two isomers are separated by steam distillation. Steam distillation. The orthonitrophenol is slightly soluble in water. Slightly soluble in water, and it is steam volatile. You know what is meant by volatile? Easily vaporizable due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bonding is formed within the molecule in the case of orthonitrophenol. But para-nitrophenol is more soluble in water. It is less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Between the molecule, hydrogen bonding is formed. How intramolecular hydrogen bonding takes place in orthonitrophenol. This is our orthonitrophenol. C6, H4, OH, and in the adjacent carbon atom we have one NO2 group. Adjacent carbon atom we have one NO2. Simply N double bond O, one oxygen. Hydrogen is less electronegative, therefore get positively charged. Oxygen more electronegative, negatively charged. Hydrogen bond is formed between this hydrogen and oxygen of NO2. Hydrogen of OH and oxygen of NO2. The hydrogen bond is formed within the molecule, therefore it is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. What is intermolecular hydrogen bonding? In para-nitrophenol, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In para, the OH and the NO2 are in the opposite carbon atom. This is your para-nitrophenol. C6H4. NO2, nitrogen, this is double bond O, one O. Opposite carbon atom, you have one OH group, para-nitrophenol. One more para-nitrophenol, C6H4, 1, 2, 3, N double bond O, here O. Opposite carbon atom, we have one OH. Similarly, the hydrogen of OH becomes tel plus and oxygen becomes tel minus. This is tel plus, this is tel minus. Now hydrogen bond is formed between oxygen of NO2, hydrogen of OH. This is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is formed between the molecule. So due to this reason, it can be separated using steam distillation method. Come to the reaction of nitrating mixture. Again nitration, addition of NO2 plus, but with nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid is called nitrating mixture. We know consulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent used to remove water molecule. At ordinary temperature, room temperature 298 Kelvin. Phenol undergo nitration with corn nitric acid. NO2 is present only in this nitric acid. Separate NO2 from nitric acid. So now you are having HO. Phenol C6H5OH. Ortho 1 hydrogen. Para 1 hydrogen. Ortho 1 hydrogen. The reaction takes place in presence of concentrated nitric acid HNO3, concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 when heated to 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin. To this alpha hydrogen, one nitric acid, corn nitric acid is added. Here one corn nitric acid HONO2 is added. Here one corn nitric acid HONO2 is added. From benzene ring, H is always removed as H plus. OH is removed from corn nitric acid as OH minus. Now NO2 plus is added to this minus, this bond, ortho carbon. H plus from para carbon and OH minus is removed as H2O. NO2 plus is added to para carbon. H plus and OH minus is removed as H2O. NO2 plus is added to this ortho carbon. Gives C6H2. Here you have one OH. Ortho carbon 1 NO2, para carbon 1 NO2, ortho carbon another NO2 with the loss of 3 molecules of H2O. When you give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the name of this compound? 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Nitro group is electron withdrawing group, more electron withdrawing nature. This 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is a strong acid. Remember, it is a strong acid. What is the reason? Due to the presence of 3 electron withdrawing NO2 group. This NO2 group facilitate the release of H plus ion. Compared with the phenol, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is more acidic. It is a strong acid due to the presence of 3 NO2 electron withdrawing group, which withdraw the electron towards itself, therefore facilitating the release of H plus ion. Therefore, it is more stable. And remember, nowadays, this 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is also called picric acid. It is an explosive, picric acid. This picric acid is not directly prepared nowadays. It is prepared first treating phenol with corn sulfuric acid at 100 degrees Celsius, 373 Kelvin, which convert the phenol into 2,4 phenol 2,4 disulfuric acid, disulfonic acid, and then with the corn nitric acid to get picric acid. I will write the reaction, how it is converted. Phenol molecular formula C6H5OH is first treated with corn sulfuric acid, H2SO4 at 100 degrees Celsius, 373 Kelvin. One ortho hydrogen and one para hydrogen first undergo substitution reaction with the corn sulfuric acid. Now I write corn sulfuric acid HOSO3H. Here also HOSO3H. One H plus from ortho carbon and OH minus from sulfuric acid removed as H2O. This S plus SO3H plus is directly added to ortho carbon. One H plus from para carbon and OH minus removed as H2O. SO3H plus is added to para carbon. First phenol is converted into this compound. C6H2. C6H3. Here you have one OH. Ortho carbon, one sulfonic acid functional group. Para carbon, one sulfonic acid functional group with the loss of 2 molecules of water. This is your phenol 2,4 disulfonic acid. Phenol 2,4 disulfonic acid. That compound again when treated with the concentrated nitric acid. Now I write C6H3OH. In ortho we have one SO3H, para SO3H. When treated with concentrated nitric acid, HNO3. HNO3 can also be written as HONO2. HONO2. Here one ortho HONO2. One hydrogen from ortho carbon undergo reaction. So which one is removed? H2SO4 is removed. Here sulfuric acid, H2SO4. NO2 plus is now added to ortho carbon. Here also H2SO4 is removed. NO2 plus is added to ortho carbon, loss of one water molecule, H plus and OH minus. NO2 plus is added to ortho carbon gives C6H2. Here you have one OH group. In ortho, one NO2 is added. Para, one NO2 is added. Again ortho, one NO2 is added. with the loss of two molecules of H2SO4 and water molecule H2O. This is our picric acid. So nowadays picric acid is not directly prepared by using the nitrating mixture. First, phenol is treated with the corn sulfuric acid, converted into phenol 2,4 disulfonic acid, which again treated with the corn nitric acid gives it 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is picric acid. This is about nitration. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.